through Congress in these times on September the 5th that basically criticizes Clinton for failing to have a better program and selling it to the American people, and in particular Clinton himself failing to pick up on something like a single payer plan that would guarantee to every American good health insurance, and that would pay for it through some sort of public taxation or financing. Clinton's failure to really come up with a good plan was what was responsible, according to David Moberg, for the failure. He indicated that there really was a climate where health care reform could have gone through, that no one initially indicated that there was not a health care crisis. Everyone saw that this was an appalling system where large numbers of people are not covered by health care in this country, where there's out-of-control costs with hospitalization and doctor's fees and insurance fees are getting out of control. Everyone realized something needed to be done. Moreover, there seemed to be the political climate and will to actually do something about it. Harris Wofford made health care reform the central issue of his 1991 Pennsylvania Senate race and engineered a stunning upset. He won against great odds because he said health care is the key issue, and he was going to work for that to guarantee the American people health care programs. And initially, no one was really attacking Clinton's program except for some small business people and some right-wing ideologues. But Clinton never really developed a good program that could be sold to the American people. None of the grassroots activist groups that were going for health care reform could embrace Clinton's program. One, they didn't know what it was because it was done by his wife and others behind closed doors, and it was just too complex and esoteric to really explain to the American people, mainly because Clinton didn't want to offend the insurance lobbies and the American Medical Association and the other groups in the medical lobbies, and just basically dropped the ball, and the opponents were able to organize against it and thus defeat his program. And now it's not clear that we'll have any health care reform.
Here's just a